Welcome to this video, where you will refresh your knowledge of relational databases with a focus on PostgreSQL. After watching this video, you will be able to describe common data types available for relational databases, describe how relational databases organize data, identify some of the currently popular relational databases, list the supported PostgreSQL data types, and explain how to use TS query with PostgreSQL. As you already know, relational databases store data collected in diverse formats, including numbers, characters, text, image metadata, video URLs, and others. Relational databases can store images, text, video data, and other complex data types as binary large objects or blobs, interpreted by computers as zeros and ones. The data must reside somewhere for use. Thus, databases are digital collections of organized data. The Database Management System, DBMS, is the software that facilitates database management and enables fast access, modifications, and updates. The DBMS often manages databases as files. The DBMS stores data in tables. Each data object corresponds to an entity, with intertable relationships enhancing data retrieval and interpretation. Let's check out an example. Consider a retailer's relational database that includes the following 4 familiar tables: customer, order, order line item, and items. Each table has a primary key that uniquely identifies its records. Relationships between tables form using primary and foreign keys. For instance, the cust ID in the customers table serves as the primary key in customers table and appears as a foreign key in the orders table. You might already be aware of the range of available RDBMS platforms. These platforms include proprietary and open source offerings, and some provide both on-premises and cloud-based options. Some familiar and currently popular SQL databases include IBM DB2, Oracle Database, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, SQLite, MariaDB, SAP HANA, Amazon RDS. SQL databases traditionally support primitive data types like integer, float, Boolean, and other data types. Many data platforms are evolving to support more intricate data types, such as vectors, to accommodate emerging needs like machine learning applications. Vectors represent float array data from multimedia files, often provided as an extension rather than a default data type. Next, learn how PostgreSQL extends its RDBMS to work with new data types. PostgreSQL exists as an open-source object relational database management system, ORDBMS, which extends the relational database model by incorporating object-oriented features. PostgreSQL as an open-source RDBMS can be extended in many ways, such as adding new data types, functions, index methods, and other innovations. This database management system works for users who need access to both relational and object-oriented data models within the same database. PostgreSQL supports most standard RDBMS data types, including numeric data like integer, float, double, and others, character data types, Boolean data types, date and time data types, arrays, and enumerated types. PostgreSQL also supports data types to store monetary data, geometric data, network address data, UUID data, and many other kinds of data. More importantly, the recent version of PostgreSQL supports full-text search through TS vector, which is the data type, and TS query, which represents the string that is being queried. Full-text search is the activity of searching through a collection of natural language documents to locate those documents that best match a query. As part of the TS query, TS vector applies lexemes to locate similar words during the query process. Performing a full-text search using TS query differs from the regex search, because while regex search uses pattern matching, TS query uses the lexemes stored in the TS vector data item. Searching if a document contains a particular word is memory-intensive and slow. This is where the TS vector data type provided by PostgreSQL uses lexemes to speed up full-text search. The TS vector data type stores a string that contains a sorted list of distinct lexemes. So, what are lexemes, and why are they useful? Lexemes are words that are normalized to merge all variants of the same word. When text is inserted, The PostgreSQL databases automatically sort the lexemes and eliminate duplicates, resulting in faster search results. For example, to query text in PostgreSQL that exists in the form of TS vector for a word or words, you would run the following code to select the text that matches the query. The output T here representing true, meaning the word hands-on and the word data followed by the word scientist were found in the phrase. And that's how you can use TS query within PostgreSQL for a full text search. In this video, you learned that RDBMS platforms commonly store various data types, including numbers, characters, images, texts, videos, and others. RDBMS platforms store images, text, videos, and other complex data types as binary large objects or blobs. The Database Management System, DBMS, is the software that facilitates database management. Some currently popular SQL databases include IBM DB2, Oracle Database, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, SQLite, MariaDB, SAP HANA, and Amazon RDS. PostgreSQL supports common RDBMS data types and monetary, geometric, network address, and UUID data types. You can use TS query to perform full text searches of TS vector data.